Would like to explain to us why?
I've got nothing left.
Well, I think you should get the wig.
Okay, the wig. Okay.
Many months later.
Hello. Alright. We have today. Well, we're going to be doing Fortnite in a bit, but first we did get all the parcels in. So if you don't remember, a couple of weeks ago, that we got in some Amazon. We purchased some stuff on Amazon, and now they have all arrived. It was supposed to be stuff to be in the back of the stream or anything that I could wear on stream and such things. So there's a lot of different items. Seeing most of it's still in the packages, but we'll try and get them out and then see how it goes. Most of them. Right. So we have first item, which is ooh. I don't know if you guys can recognize or remember what this is. Drop it. What am I dropping? Yo, there's fucking silica in there. The thing. Wow, you want me to drop the Viking beard? Is that a wig? That is a beard wig. So this was... So basically, this was kind of suggested by Nat. Why is there fucking two pigtails like that? Oh, there we go. Oh my god. Why is it like two pigtails? You got the rest of this, fucking two pigtails on it. Like, why? Oh my god. Okay. So this is the head one. Nosy beard of a nose. Oh my god. Actually, can't do it this way. Modern day Viking. Yo, fucking hell, not gonna lie. My hair looking, yeah. Right. Beautiful. New COVID mask. So hopefully you might see more of this when we do some Valheim. Maybe at some point next week, maybe. We'll see. Viking or like dwarf. Wow, what are you calling me? Look at this, I'm fucking taller than Matt. Yo, this is long boy stonk. Relieving your teen. Is that the dance of your people? Stronger. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. There you go. Got the hairstyle sorted. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Whoa. Fuck. Oh. Second item is from HG. We have the monk wig. Like, yo, why is all of them having fucking? Wait, am I supposed to put this knit on? Is that how it works? Oh, actually, this might be. This could be the case. Fucking hell. Yo, look at the lighting. Look at the hot on the head. Stylish, looks natural. That shine was fantastic. I come to Earth to destroy you all with these muscles. Oh my god. It's hard to be in this. I feel like I'm gonna struggle with this on when I play some Alien Isolation. I can't even see what the fucking chat's saying. Builder's crack at the beard. On the wig. At the beard on the wig. Okay, you know, face one. So pretty, thank you very much. You know, I grew it for a while, you know. We aliens have very long, pretty hair, you know. Fucking hell. Yeah, is that looking alright? I'm disturbed. What are you disturbed for? That was not too bad. That was not too bad. Very enjoyable. Next up. Look at this fine art right there. As you can see, this is the motor cage. Very nice, very textural. You can buy this now in the merch for $1.99. Very fine art. It's exquisite. Very exquisite. This is the other one, which, so this is supposed to be the blue one of the pillowcase, but due to the time scale of the blue one being sent, because I think it was getting sent from China, I ended up having to buy the one that was going to come in within a week instead. So oh wait. There we go. Breathe, breathe, Nicolas Cage. You can do it. We're just filling out with some padding. Don't worry, don't mind us. Oh, yo, there you go. Successful operation. There you go. Easy. Oh my god. Ooh. It's not over yet. There we go. Yo, that's actually nice and smooth, not gonna lie. You're mad. Give it a kiss. Matt, decorate his face. What do you mean decorate his face? With sequin. Are you taking him to bed? No. What happens is, right? Because what happens is later on, I put Nick's case here, right? Then I put Matt off here, and I fuck off to bed, and leave them alone together, because you know that's what's gonna happen. Here we have a fallen card. Oh, that means nothing. Got it. Philip Mitchell 2021 calendar, which give you all the nice moments Phil Mitchell has been in. So I mean, that's February right now, and y'all can look forward to March right there. There you go. Whoa. What the fuck? It's a left turn. Exactly. Interesting though. Thank you, Spadink. Trash. No. Here we have the Scotland Minion.
A few moments later.
Oh. Oh. Scotland forever. Fucking yo. It's actually not that bad. It's fucking good. Yeah, so basically, while I was buying this t-shirt here, there was in the recommendation, there was a suggestion that someone had bought this hat with it. So obviously they must have been, you know, having some wild guess. And I was checking the price of it and it wasn't like a bad price on that, and I was like, you know what, we'll fucking buy it. So at least, you know, you get the big boy item. I've yet to open it properly and everything. So we will yo Matt, can I borrow your scissors right now? I know you're using it, but you know, I might need your scissor. Behold. Yo, I swear this fucking, if this cardboard real life is taller than me, we're gonna have some fucking problems. Imagine this is fucking taller than me. Oh my fucking god, that'd be sad. It's okay. Fuck it, it's taller than me! Yo, what the fuck is this? It's fucking taller than me! Here we go. It's fucking taller than I am. Do you regret it? No, I wouldn't regret it. Some of it was actually funny. I do enjoy it. It's nice. I mean, it's not bad. So I think out of all the choices of the big item, this is probably one of the best possible outcome. So I can't regret anything as such as that. The hat is great. I thought you would like it. I was like, this is something I would have thought you would like with it. Looks patriotic there. What he symbolizes is, you know, he's trying to say, follow me. And we forget to chase it. What's on your head? What do you mean? It's a Scottish wig. You not like it? It's my orange hair. I dyed my hair. Do you not like me dyeing my hair orange or ginger?
Yo, what's going on?